Is this the best tap spanner set in the world? Personally, it's definitely the best I've come across. So, let's have a little look what we've got inside.
Which one is it? You'll find out next.
So, we've got this extension bar, and then you just pull it like that, and it extends. Pull it, extends. The quality feels top notch. The ratchet. Let's look at the ratchet. That's got a little extendable bit on it as well, so you just pull that sleeve back. I mean, it's so easy to operate, you can operate it with one hand. And you've got all these little adapters, so you can put that in there and, you know, extend it up so you can reach past all the bits and bobs that get in your way. Tighten it, slacken it. And then you've got these little adapters. So that one does these. I've just actually tightened the tap up because you get this as well, which is got a hole in one side so your pipes don't get in the way, and then it's offset. It's brilliant. I've just used that. But then you put these bits on there, you know, because you might not always be able to get into it with that. So you put that on there. Brilliant. And then you've got these other bits, you know, for your basin taps and your kitchen taps. Got all your different sizes. You've got a couple of knuckles, different sizes. Or you've just got a basic, you know, T-bar. But it's brilliant. It's so well made. It's made Nerad tools. I was just having a look online. Tapex kit. Advanced tap wrench technology. Comes in a beautiful case. So what I'm going to do now is just do a little demo of the actual, this one here, what I'm just tightening these taps up with. I'll tighten the taps up. Now I'm going to do the 3/4 inch connectors. Doesn't actually say, it says size 3, but I suppose it doesn't say on there either. But you've only got to put it up against the nuts and you'll soon find out. Now, I don't know, I'm going to get the camera in here, but I'm going to do the back one first, obviously. Anyone that's ever put a bath tap on. I've just fitted this bath and I've been doing this job for years now, and I used to put the tap on, then put the bath in, and then struggle doing the sealants along the back. But now I put the tap in after. It's just, it makes for a neater job, you know, when you're doing your sealants around the edges. I mean, closer look, you know, it's beautiful that, if I do say so myself. So yeah, done everything. First fix plumbing, second fix plumbing. It's just a landlord. It's you know, it's not high-end bathroom or anything like that, but we still do a nice job whatever we do. So can I get this? In fact, let's take it out of here. Let's put it in there. It's a good job I'm not a film director in it. So yeah, pinch it up with your hands. Get this in. I mean, I don't know if you can actually see there. We'll soon find out. Beautiful. And then this one, this will be a little bit easier to film, this front one. So what I'll do is, I'll set it up.
About that episode in John chapter 11, which is a kind of shorter episode in that gospel. It's actually kind of a personal question because, you know, when those of us have lost loved ones, then we kind of ask the question.
Yeah. I'll lie down so my big head isn't in the way.
Discussion the story of Lazarus.
And then obviously start it off.
Different ways that the Bible talks about what happens to those who died. In the Old Testament, we tend to find this.
I'm going to put the basin in a bit as well, so
some sort of shadowy underworld, and
I'll do the same with that.
In the Old Testament, we still don't see this separation of body and soul.
Make sure that
Interpretation is a systematic unity. It just means we're body and soul unities. The idea that we are
twisted
spirits,
its face.
bodies, and those spirits are trying to escape to be with God. That is a Christian idea.
There we go.
Idea. It actually comes from Greek
So,
philosophy, which sees
as you saw,
the physical,
that was easy.
unchangeable world as being a bad thing and imperfect, and the changing spirits as being perfection and good. That is not a